So let's start off with a good morning recipe of overnight oats, and we're going to make a Black Forest version, which we're going to use cocoa and cherries. So basically for each serving, you need for each child, you'll want to have half a cup of yogurt, which is equates to 1 meat alternate. So we have the half cup yogurt in the bowl. This can be easily enlarged for any group size. And then you need a 1/4 cup of oats. So that equals 1 whole grain serving. And we need to have some cocoa powder to bring that Black Forest flavor to this recipe. So here we have a 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And we're going to sweeten this up because I chose to use an unsweetened yogurt today, a Greek yogurt, but know that you could use a vanilla yogurt and you wouldn't have to add the honey. But we're going to add a little bit of honey just to make sure that we have enough sweetness to counteract all that tartness with the yogurt and our cherries that we'll be adding on. So I'm just going to stir this up until I combine so that I see that that chocolate powder has been spread all the way through the oats and the yogurt. One nice color. And then this is where all your food service skills comes in. You get out a number 8 scoop and you scoop this right into your serving container. So if you're doing a breakfast in the classroom or a grab-and-go breakfast, this is perfect because you have every child's breakfast in a single serving, so it's all ready to go. So we're putting this in a cup here. We're going to top it with a 1/2 cup of cherries so that you have your fruit for your meal pattern. And we are perfect in that we have a 1/2 cup of cherries in here left. These are frozen, so they're going to thaw as overnight. And that one's for the cook later. All right, so cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, and in the morning your breakfast is served.